Hi students, good morning. The continuation part, different integration, part 5. Properties, you know very well, integration of 0 to f of x dx equals integration of 0 to f of a minus x dx. All properties and what I have discussed under result, that you can go through that. Now the next question is question number 84. Integration of minus a to a x into mod of x dx. This is the property integration of minus a to a f of x dx, which is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even and 0 if f of x is odd. Right? Let me verify this is even or odd. Let f of x is equal to x into mod x. How to check whether it is even or odd? Put x is equal to minus x. Minus x mod minus x. Minus x mod minus x is mod x, which is minus f of x. Which is minus f of x. That means f of x is odd. F of x is odd. The value become a 0. Next, question number 85, integration of 0 to 2 mod x plus mod of x minus 1 dx. Here there are mod x, we have to make it separate, 0 to 2 mod x dx plus 0 to 2 mod of x minus 1 dx. Here let open the mod. How to open the mod? By using this concept, mod x is equal to x when x is greater than 0, minus x when x is less than 0. So 0 to 2 interval, any number you can take, that substitute here, you will get positive or negative? Positive, because starting lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. That means 0 to 2, any number if you take, this is the positive. When it is positive, the mod x is x. So integration of 0 to 2 x dx plus it is now 0 to 2, it is positive or negative? Both positive and negative. At what point turning point is? X is equal to 1. When you take x minus 1 equal 0, x is equal to 1. So 0 to 1 mod of x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 2 mod of x minus 1 dx. In this interval, take one number 0.5. 0.5 minus 1 negative it is. Here 1 to 2 1.5, 1.5 minus 1 positive. Okay. Then integration of x is x square by 2, limits 0 to 2 plus when it is negative minus integration of 0 to 1 minus of x minus 1 dx plus it is a positive, the mod of x minus 1 is plus 1 to 2 x minus 1 dx. Finish. Upper limit 4 by 2, 2, lower limit is 0. This integration x square by 2 minus x limit 0 to 1 plus x square by 2 minus x limits 1 to 2. This is 2. Upper limit 1 by 2 minus 1, lower limit is 0. 2 square is 4 by 2 is 2, minus 2, 0 and 1 by 2 minus 1. 2, 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus minus plus 1 by 2 and 0 and plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is the answer. Next, integration of 87, integration of 0 minus 1 to 2 mod of x minus 1 dx. Here also mod is there. We should eliminate mod. What is the turning point? 1. So minus 1 to 1 mod of x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 2 mod of x minus 1 dx. Yes, minus 1 to 1 in this interval it is time any number here 0.9, 0.9 minus 1 negative, so it is a negative. 1 to 2 this is positive, 1.5 minus 1 is positive. So minus 1 to 1 it is a negative, so minus x minus 1 dx, plus 1 to 2 is a positive x minus 1 dx. So minus of x square by 2 minus x minus 1 to 1, x square by 2 minus x limits 1 to 2. Apply upper limit 1 by 2 minus 1, lower limit 1 by 2 plus 1, plus 2 square 4 by 2 is 2 minus 2, and lower limit 1 by 2 minus 1. Simplify, we will get the answer. Next, question number 88, integration of 2 to 5 mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 5 dx. First split it, 2 to 5 mod of x minus 2 dx plus 2 to 5 mod of x minus 5 dx. First integration of mod x we don't know, we should eliminate the mod first. So to eliminate the mod first, we'll take one value here between 2 to 5. Any one you take 3.1 positive, and there in this interval it is positive. 2 to 5 entire this interval is negative, it is. Yes, so then 2 to 5 positive mod of x minus 2 is x minus 2, minus mod of x minus 5 is minus 2 to 5 x minus 5 dx. X integration x square by 2 minus 2x limits 2 to 5 minus x square by 2 minus 5x limits 2 to 5. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Next one, 89, integration of 0 to 2 mod of 2x minus x square dx. 0 to 2 mod of x, take common here, 2 minus x dx. Right? Here both mod when it is 0, 0, 0 is the lower limit, when it is become as 0, when x is equal. So 0 and 2 are upper line, lower limit. So in between any number if you take, okay, any number if you take, okay, that value is positive, 2 minus 0.1 is positive into positive. So direct we can write 0 to 2 x into 2 minus x dx. So 0 to 2 2x minus x square dx. The integration of this is 2x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, limits 0 to 2. Apply upper limit, 2 get cancelled, 4 minus 8 by 3, lower limit is 0, 12 minus 8, 4 by 3 answer. Next, question number 90, integration of minus 1 to 1 mod of 1 minus x square dx. First, both have same limits and having opposite sign. In such case, we have to verify whether it is even or not. F of x equal to mod of 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to minus x, mod of 1 minus x square, same will get f of x. Then it is even. F of x is even. Then we can write this is 2 into 0 to 1 mod of 1 minus x square dx. In 0 to 1 this is the positive, then 2 into integration of 0 to 1 1 minus x square integration here. So 2 into 1 integration is x square integration is x cube by 3, 0 to 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3, lower limit is 0. 2 into 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So answer is 4 by 3. Next, question number 91. Integration of 0 to 2 mod of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Find the factors here. 0 to 2 mod of, this is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3, correct? Sorry, x plus 3. X square plus 3x minus x plus 2x minus 3. So there are two factors are there. When it becomes 0 is 1 is there in between. When it becomes 0, minus 3, minus not there. So leave it this. This is the turning point. This point having turn it in between 0 to 2. Minus 3 not there in this interval. That's why this turning point, leave it. Okay, there are two turning point, 1 and minus 3. Minus 3 is not there in between 0 to 2. It's cancel it. Only 1 you take it. So we have to split the interval 0 to 1 mod of x minus 1 into x plus 3 dx plus 1 to 2 mod of x minus 1 into x plus 3 dx. In 0 to 1, 0.5 minus 1, which is negative. When it is negative, the whole will get minus 0 to 1, whole is negative, x minus 1 into x plus 3, which is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. It is a positive 1 to 2, then x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Then find integration. This is do yourself. Next one, 92, 93 same model. 94, integration of e power minus 1 e square mod of log x by x dx. 1 by e square log x by x dx. Right? When you take here 1 by e here, x is equal to 1 by e here, e power minus 1 comes. When it becomes 0, when it is log x is equal to, if you put 1, log 1 is 0. That 0, that is the turning point of this. 1 is there in between is, yes. So integration of 1 by e to 1 plus 1 to e squared mod of log x by x dx mod of log x by x dx. In this is the negative, because below 1 if you take, here comes negative here, e power minus 1. Log of e power minus 1 base e comes this side, minus log e base e is 1, so minus 1, negative it is. This is positive. Integration of 1 by e to 1, when it is negative, minus log x by x dx plus 1 by e square, 1 to e square log x by x dx minus log x derivative is here, so log x whole square by 2, limits 1 by e to 1. This is also log x whole square by 2, limits 1 to e square. Upper limit here, log 1 is 0, lower limit is 1 by e, means e power minus 1 here, minus 1 whole square is 1 by 2 plus e square is e2, 2 comes here, 2 square is 4 by 2 is 2, lower limit is 0. So answer is plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. Next, question number 95, integration of minus 1 to 1 x into mod x dx. This is already we have discussed, 84 question model only, you try yourself. This is question number 96, if a less than 0 less than b, then integration of a to b mod x by x dx. Here 0 is a and b are lies between, 0 is lies between a and b. So below 0 means negative part, above 0 is positive part. Then we have to split here a to 0 mod x by x dx plus 0 to b mod x dx. A to 0 it is negative, so this is negative. 0 to b is positive. From this we come to know that. So if it is negative, a to 0 mod x is minus x by x dx plus 0 to b x by x dx. Get cancel. So minus x limits a to 0. Integration of 1 x 0 to a minus 0 minus a plus a minus 0. So answer is 2a. A plus a is 2a. Question number 97. A less than b less than 0 means both intervals are below 0 only. Then integration of a to b mod x dx. Both are less than means a negative, b negative. A and b both are negative. Then mod x is also negative. So no need to split here because any positive is there, you make it separate. Here a to 0 and 0 to b. This is the positive part and this is the negative part. So we have to make separate interval this and that. So this is negative. A to b minus x by x dx. Get cancel. Minus x integration 1 dx is x integration a to b. So minus of b minus a will get a minus b. Next, question number 98. 0 less than a less than b. Same model. A to b mod x by x dx. These a and b are above 0 means both are positive. Then mod x is also positive. If it is positive, mod x equal x. A to b x by x dx. Get cancel. Integration of 1 dx is x. Limits upper and lower b minus a. And question number 100. Integration of 0 to pi mod of cos x dx. Mod first we have to eliminate. Cos is from 0 to 90. 0 to 90 positive. From 90 to 180 negative. So 0 to pi interval, in some interval it is positive, in some interval it is negative. So we have to split which is positive, which is negative. That interval we have to write separate. 0 to pi by 2 mod of cos x dx plus pi by 2 to pi mod of cos x dx. 0 to pi by 2 mod of cos x is positive, in this negative. Therefore 0 to pi by 2 mod cos x is cos x dx. Pi by 2 pi, this is negative, then minus cos x dx. So cos x integration is sin x. Limits 0 to pi by 2. Sin x limits pi by 2 to pi. Sin pi by 2 is 1 minus 0. Sin pi is 0 minus pi by 2, which is equal to 1 plus pi by 2. Sorry, sin pi by 2 is 1. 1 plus 1. So answer is 2. Next, question number 101. Integration of 0 to 5 by 2 root of 1 minus cos 2x. 0 to pi by 2 root of 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x dx. Root 2 0 to pi by 2 mod of sin x dx. Mod of sin x dx. So root 2 mod of sin x dx, in this is positive, then 0 to pi by 2 sin x integration is cos x dx. So root 2 cos x is a positive, cos x integration is sin x. Limits 0 to pi by 2. So root 2 sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Answer is root 2. Next one. 102 question number. Integration minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sin of mod x dx. Here it is a property, both have same limits and having opposite sign. Then this is the even function. If you check it, f of x is equal to sine of mod x, f of minus x equal to sine of mod minus x is mod x, which is equal to f of x. It is even. When it is even, by property 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine of, in this interval it is positive sine x dx. So sine x integration minus cos x, limit 0 to pi by 2, minus cos pi by 2 is 0, lower limit is cos 0 is 1. So answer is 2. Next, question number 104, integration 0 to 2 mod of cos pi by 2 x dx. Yes, we should eliminate mod. To eliminate mod, this is positive or negative or both, we should identify. In between 1 also there, 1 if you take x is equal cos pi by 2 is 0 here. So 0 to 1 here, first quadrant. From 1 to 2 if you apply second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative, here positive. So we should split 0 to 1 mod of cos pi by 2 x dx plus 1 to 2 mod of cos pi by 2 x dx. Right? Now this is a positive cos pi by 2 below positive and this is negative. Understood? If you put cos 0 is 0, cos pi by 2 is cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, means positive. Here if you put x is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, cos 2 pi, cos pi is negative. So positive 0 to 1 cos of pi by 2 x dx. If it is negative, minus 1 to 2 cos of pi by 2 x dx. Cos pi by 2 x integration is sin pi by 2 x by pi by 2, limits 0 to 1. Same thing, sin pi by 2 x by pi by 2, limits 1 to 2. Apply upper limit here, 2 by 5, sin pi by 2 is 1, 0. Upper limit 2 pi sin pi is 0, lower limit is 1, 2 by 5. So plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, which is equal to 4 by 5. Next question is integration of 0 to pi mod of cos x minus sin x dx. So here mod we should eliminate. So at what point the cos of x minus sin x is positive and negative? Okay, both we should observe. Both cos and sin when it is equal, when it is pi by 4. So 0 to pi by 4 is the turning point. When this value became a 0, you will get this point. Cos x minus sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to sin x when x is equal to 45 degrees. So 0 to pi by 4 mod of cos x minus sin x dx plus pi by 4 to pi mod of cos x minus sin x dx. In this interval, it is cos is big, sin is small, 0 to 30. Yes, is a positive, it is a negative. Increasing, cos 30 if you take root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is bigger than this, so positive will get. It is negative here. So 0 to pi by 4, if it is positive, the mod x is x. And this is negative, pi by 4 to pi cos x minus sin x dx. Here minus of x. Find integration. That's upper limit and lower limit substitute here. Next same thing, 107 also, 106 also, 108 also same thing, 109. Integration 0 to pi by 3, this is the same model, mod of tan x minus 1 dx. When this became a 0, tan x equal to 1. So x is equal 45 degrees. 45 is there in this? Yes. So split it. 0 to pi by 4 mod of tan x minus 1 dx plus pi by 4 to pi by 3 mod of tan x minus 1 dx. In this interval 0 to pi by 4, this is tan pi by 4 means 30 degrees you take, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is a big negative. In this tan pi by 4 to 40 is positive it is. Okay, 45 is 1, 60 is above 1 here. Right. So it is negative means minus of 0 to pi by 4 tan x minus 1 dx. If it is positive pi by 4 to pi by 3 tan x minus 1 dx. Right. So minus tan x integration secant square x minus 1 integration is x 0 to pi by 4. Secant square x, sorry, tan x integration is log of secant x. Log of secant x. And this is also log of secant x. Log of secant x minus x limits pi by 4 to pi by 3. Apply upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Next 110 question is integration of 0 to 2 step x dx. Step x have discussed in the class 0 to 1 2. Step is changes for every integer. Okay, step of 0.1 0, step of 0.2 0, step of 1 1, step of 1.9 1, like this. So this is changes for every integer. So 0 to 1 integer is there, 0 to 1 step x dx plus 1 to 2 step x dx. Between 0 to 1, what is the step value? Any number you take, 0.9, step of 0.9 0. Here any number you take, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, step of 1.6 1. So integration of 0 to 1 0 dx plus 1 to 2 here 1 dx, because special function is there here, this is we have to eliminate, then only we can find the integration. How to eliminate this function? By using this concept. Are you following? Step of 2 is 2, step of 2.3 2, like that. So 0, integration of 1 dx is x, limits 1 to 2, upper limit 2 minus lower limit 1, 2 minus 1 is 1.